Number 10. H-King Saw Kit. The H-King Saw Kit is one of the best small gadgets that you can actually use to create magnificent things. Easy to assemble and easy to use. You can put it together and it will take you no more than 1 hour. It can be used with both a 3S battery and a 12-volt power supply. If you were wondering, this kit is typically created for light timber, light plastics, thin fiberglass. Also, it is perfect for all of the small-scale hobbies, including the creation of small planes, trains, boats, and much more. Number 9. Basketball Shooting Game. One of the best games ever! Are you bored at home and don't know how to fill your time? And not only at home, you can take this magnificent product to your office. It sits on any desktop or tabletop you can imagine. Don't miss out the fun and joy this magnificent gadget offers. It is perfect for both kids and adults. Perhaps you are bored and don't know what to do with your time. Then, this is absolutely one of the best things you can own to fulfill your time in the best way possible. It's also perfect for birthday gifts. Number 8. World's smallest Super Soaker Water Squirter Set. Guys, can you imagine that this tiny little soaker water squirter actually exists? This small little gadget is meant for kids 6 and older, but believe it or not, the adults are amazed by it too, because it's actually one of the tiniest things that actually works on planet Earth. But yes, kids love it. It's practical, and believe it or not, shoots up to a distance of 25 feet. Yeah, that's true. Each is around 3.75 inches long and works perfectly. Number 7. The world's smallest miniature harmonica. Guys, this tiny instrument works perfectly and is one of the best inventions ever created. We're talking about this magnificent, tiny harmonica, which is actually one of the most popular, pocketable musical instruments ever. The miniature harmonica plays 8 notes, and you can take it everywhere with you. The blow notes are C, E, G, C, D, E, A, B. If you don't know how to play this instrument, don't worry. With very little practice, you can play it perfectly. Having this little instrument is going to make you an attraction in your group. Number 6. Tiny Arcade Frogger Miniature Arcade Game. Even if it looks unbelievable, this miniature gadget indeed exists and works perfectly. The screen size is less than 1.5 inches. As further information, you won't need coins or small change to play it. This phenomenal gameplay has a full-color, high-resolution screen, specific game sounds, joystick, and 2 control buttons in a backlit arcade-style cabinet. Perfect for adults and kids. You'll never be bored again because you can take it with you wherever you want and create a perfect gaming atmosphere. Guys, this is a must-have gaming toy. Number 5. Hasbro Gaming Jenga Minigame. Everyone loves this game. It's one of the best games ever. Did you know that you could find it in such a mini package you would never believe it's actually true? We're talking about the miniature version of the Jenga game. Pocket-sized extreme fun that is played in such a way where the last player needs to stack a block without causing the tower to crash, and in that case, that player is the winner of the game. But this tiny version includes 18 mini Jenga hardwood blocks, which are 2.375 inches by 0.8 inches by 0.48 inches. It's a perfect gift. Number 4. Mini File Cabinet Business Card Holder. This mini file cabinet business card folder is perfect for keeping your business cards organized. We're talking about keeping 3.5 by 2-inch business cards. It is interesting to know that this phenomenal card holder includes A to Z card indexes, so you can keep them in a great order. It'll be easy for you to find anything you put in here. This holder is just 4.5 inches by 5 inches by 8.5 inches, which means that it won't take too much space on your desk, and that's a real advantage, we've got to admit. Number 3. Tiny Arcade by TinyCircuits. This arcade is so small that it literally fits in the palm of your hand. It is quite functional and at the same time is a real fun having it. This tiny gadget is not just an imitation of the full-size machine, but performs just like one too. You can enjoy classic video games wherever and whenever you want. It is quite simple to use. Just load the files onto a micro SD card and voila! You have hours and hours of amusement. You can develop your own games for it too. Such a perfect tiny gadget. Number 2. Mini full-function remote control helicopter. Guys, look at this mini full-function remote control helicopter. It possesses a dual programmable channel that allows you to fly it with your friend. This is actually the smallest full-size RC helicopter ever created. It is completely practical. You can control it from the remote, and you can go up, down, left, and right, wherever you want. You can charge it by simply plugging it into the remote's internal charging cord. This is one of the best tiny gadgets that will absolutely blow you away. So worth having, and it's intended for both adults and children. Number 1. Cooluli Mini Fridge Electric Cooler and Warmer. Have you ever seen a cooler smaller than this? And what's interesting is that it's not just a cooler, it's a warmer at the same time. This mini fridge possesses multiple functions. You can literally use it anywhere and for whatever you want. You can store drinks, food, snacks, beer, literally everything that fits in it. It is interesting that you can store your beauty products there too. It's small and portable, and you can take it with you wherever you go. Such an amazing tiny gadget that actually works. As you watch this video till the end, you will definitely want to take part in our giveaway and win one of the gadgets covered in this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment with the exact time every Techie World logo shows up in this video. If you haven't found them, watch the video one more time. We'll announce the winner in the subsequent videos. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can check if you've won. Well guys, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment in our comment section about which small gadget is your favorite from the video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling info like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of them. And of course, thank you so much for being with us. We are here for you. See you in our next video.